you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. We are the premier salvage and repairable car dealer in the Northeast. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Nissan Altima SR Edition. This was a very low freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, no condensation in the headlights, fog lights, all clean. The engine compartment is clean. The vehicle does start and drive. There are no warning lights on. No rust or corrosion under the hood. Really, really nice car. Take a look inside. Actually, we'll do a walk around first and then we'll take a look inside. So the body is super clean. No scratches, no dents. I have to excuse the video, it's a little tight in the yard right now. Too many cars. This is an all-wheel drive. So we always change all the fluids as a precautionary measure. Nice interior, 3,900 miles. Yeah, really, really nice. Super clean. No indication of water inside. Seat tracks are clean, no rust. Carpet's dry. No warning lights on. Everything works. Radio, navigation, windows. Really nice vehicle. I believe this vehicle is already on our website. We do offer financing on the ready to go vehicles. Give us a call if you're interested.